Hello students, welcome to this session of your history class. Last class we have discussed the results of Muhammad's raid, how the results, what are the condition of the India, how after the 17 times he plundered by Muhammad of Ghazni. But the Muhammad of Ghazni, after plundering, the next thing it is that there was no prominent ruler was there after him in Afghanistan. So after his death, his successors are not that much strong or braver. They are not able to control their kingdom. Okay, they are inefficient, they are weak and inefficient rulers. And in 1173, another one small kingdom was there in Afghanistan, that is Ghor, Ghor, Ghor. Okay, Ghor was one small kingdom. His king, that is Muhammad. Okay, Muhammad of Ghor, Muhammad Ghori. His name was Muhammad Ghori. He was the ruler of Ghor. Okay, he attacked Ghazni, conquered Ghazni, because they are the weak rulers in the Ghazni, because after the Muhammad of Ghazni, then their son and there's all the rulers which all are successors, they all are weak, inefficient. So that is why Muhammad the Ghori attacked the Ghazni and captured it. Okay, and captured it and made it a part of the Ghor. And thereafter, after defeating the successors all, he mixed his that Ghazni in his territory, that is Ghor. Okay, and thereafter, Ghor was a small kingdom in Afghanistan. After establishing his rule in Ghazni, after mixing his territory, the Ghazni with his territory, then Ghori invaded India. Then he shown interest to invade India again. Okay, Ghori was shown interest to invade India. Unlike the Muhammad Ghazni, he was also interested to setting up his empire in India. But Muhammad of Ghazni, the main intention was to plunder India. Every time he was coming and defeating the rulers and attacking the temples and taking away the wealth, money, gold, everything with him. That is the main purpose, to plunder only. But Muhammad Ghori was interested to set up the kingdom in India. Okay, set up his empire in India. Okay, in India, beside looting the wealth. He not interested to loot. He only the main interest to set up his empire, his administration in India. Okay, and he was not concerned with the spread, and Muhammad Ghori was not concerned to spread Islam in India. But before that, Muhammad of Ghazni, he was main intention to spread the Islam and plunder India. The main intention was there, that two only. How to plunder India and how to spread the Islam. But this Muhammad Ghori was not like that. He wanted to establish his empire, his kingdom in India, and not to spread the Islam. Okay, but and he is Ghori invaded India nearly 12 times. Okay, in 1173 CE, Muhammad Ghori conquered Ghazni. Ghor was a small kingdom in Afghanistan, and Ghori invaded India nearly 12 times. Muhammad of Ghazni invaded India 17 times, more than 17 times. But he invaded India 12 times. Okay, and he invented Multan. Multan was a part of the northeast side of the India, and Multan in 1175. Okay, see, and defeated the ruler of at that time, who was the ruler of the Multan. He defeated him, and he further marched again towards the Sindh, Punjab, and defeated their rulers. At that time, who was the ruler, he defeated them, and thereafter he attacked the ruler of Gujarat also. Gujarat also he started to invade, but he was not get successful because he unable to defeat the ruler of Gujarat. So he returned back. Okay, so this is all about your Muhammad of Ghori. The next class we will discuss about the invasion of Muhammad Ghori. Okay.